Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, October 21st, and this week be prepared for a little bit of volatility because during the government shutdown, there was a lot of data that was being withheld due to the government shutdown could not be released. So this week, all that delayed data is going to be released this week. So be cautious as it could create some stirs in the market. Also, to add fuel to the fire is we have earnings reports being released. It's a big week for earnings reports for a lot of corporations out there. So it'll be interesting to see as it's the last day for or last month for the third quarter to see how a lot of these companies are, if they're showing some improvement or if they're going to go drop down. So that would be another thing to watch out for. We did get one economic news release scheduled for today, and that is existing home sales for the month of September. So back in August, we had 5.39 million homes, existing home sales, and then that was supposed to drop down a little bit down to 5.3. It did drop down a little bit further than what the forecast called for, but not too much off of there. So we did see that decline. A lot of that is due to part of it might be season, but also biggest most people figure with home prices going up quite a bit, also the interest rates jumping up quite a bit. It probably wasn't as attractive as it was, a few months prior to. So we'll jump over to the headline news, and right now the stock ended mixed. We're about an hour close from the close of the market for the bond market, but the stock market did close mixed. There wasn't a lot of movement on there. The Dow closed about 8 basis points, where everybody else is within single digits movement. So again, not a huge market moving today, but a lot of it will be coming out probably tomorrow when we have the jobs reports to be released from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Will be releasing that data tomorrow. That's been a long-awaited piece of data. So we're going to jump over to the bond market here, and here we are. We're down about 18 basis points for the day. We started the morning off about 3 basis points, so it brings us down to about 22 basis points from where we left off on Friday. As you can see, we did test the upper ceiling there and it kind of bounced backwards, so now we're testing the floor. Now we do have, remember here, we did have this opening gap here, so we could drop down as far as here to close that gap. So be cautious. We could lose some of that ground we had upwards here, and this could be closed up this week potentially. So be very cautious with this drop. But again, we could have a nice bounce back upwards again once we do close it. So it could be a good sign for us, so we can have a nice strong foundation going upwards again. But as right now, the rates did creep up a little bit due to the where we are so far. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. I will look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Again, tomorrow will be definitely a volatile day as we have the Bureau of Labor Statistics releasing the jobs numbers tomorrow. So be very cautious tomorrow. All right, have a great day.